corrupted files? Don't panic, here's how you can recover them easily. Step 1. Use built-in Windows tools. Windows has built-in tools to fix corrupted files. Press Win-X, Terminal Admin, or Command Prompt Admin. Type SFC scan out and press Enter. This scans and repairs corrupted system files. Step 2. Try chkdsk to fix disk errors. Next, let's check your drive for errors using chkdsk. Open Command Prompt Admin. Type chdsk/f, replace C with the correct drive letter. Restart your PC to let the tool fix errors. Step 3. Recover with file recovery software. Still not working? Use reliable recovery software like Recuva or EaseUS Data Recovery. Download and install the software. Select the drive and scan for lost or corrupted files. Follow the prompts to recover your files. Bonus tip: to avoid losing files in the future, back up your data regularly using cloud storage or external drives.